Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to review a particular body scrub. It's called Carebeau body scrub. Carebeau spa lightening salt mixed with carrot extract body scrub. This body scrub is super, but I have my reservation about this body scrub. So if this video seems like something that interests you, you want to know what I have to say about the scrub, show you how it looks. So this is to cover it. So if you look at it very well, you find that it has some stony stuff in it, so hard. So let me scoop out of it. So that it doesn't. So this is it. So when you take out of it and you apply it on your skin, it has this like, what will I say, like it has soft, and it forms ladder. Yeah, when you apply it on your skin, so it forms, oh, you can see it's forming ladder. So that doesn't mean you will not use your soap, your regular soap. You still need to use your regular soap, the soap you apply on your skin. So you can see I'm having this stony stuff on it. So that's the salt in it that is helping to review. I'm going to be reviewing this scrub in four stage. The first, I'm going to talk about the advantages. Yeah, every review is based on me using it. Yes, so I don't know about you if you've used it. I don't know about your experience. I'm talking about my own personal experience. So secondly, I'm going to talk about the disadvantages. Then thirdly, I'm going to talk about how to use it, how I use it to make it more effective for me. And then lastly, which is the fourth one, I'm going to talk about how much I got it, where I got it, where you can buy it. Yes. So guys, let's go straight. So before I go straight into the advantages, I'll say, why did I decide to take this body scrub? Because this body scrub have different types. It has different types. It has the carrot extract in it. It has the avocado. It has the lavender, I guess the lavender. It has the apricot. But I decided to go for the carrot, and it also has the tomatoes one, because the tomatoes is very common out there. But I kind of like love this carrot extract, this the carrot extract in it. Why? Because of the vitamin C. So I'm going to give you two reasons why I decided to go for this type. So the reason why is because of the salt in it. Yes, well, others also have salt in it. Yeah, it's because of the salt in it. You all know that salt is very good for exfoliating your skin. It's not just ending exfoliating your skin, also help to fight germs. Yes, so if you are the type that always feel this inching on your skin after you use your sponge to take your bath, and you always feel like your body, your skin is still inching you have to opt for salt scrub. Yeah, because the salt will help clean out all those germs. There are germs in your body. Yeah, so it's more like an infection. I won't say it's a serious infection, but you are reacting to something on your skin. So with a salt scrub, it's definitely going to clear those out. So that is why I love salt scrub. A salt scrub, when you use salt scrub as an exfoliator, you are rest assured that it's going to exfoliate every damn dirt on your skin. But mind you, I have my reservation on this, so you just need to watch down to where I'll let you know the disadvantages, so you get to know my reservation on the salt. I decided to go for it because of the carrot. You all know carrot has loads of vitamins, most especially vitamin C, which also help to fight against early aging on your skin. And the most importantly is because of, if you have any open wounds, when I mean open wounds, not freshly open wounds, I have my reservation on this. You need to watch till the end so you get to understand my reservation. I'll leave that to the disadvantages. So you all know, when you have any open wounds, or you have sore, or you have any irritation on your skin, you go to the doctor or to your dermatologist. Whenever they are prescribing drugs to you, there's always vitamin C in it. This helps your skin to heal fast from any damages. So vitamin C literally help your skin to heal fast from any damages. So that is why, so these two combination is a goal for me. It's perfect for me. I have a friend, she went for the tomatoes one, so best left, well, that's best for her, but I decided to go for this because it has loads of what I actually wanted. So now the advantages, before I go to disadvantages, the advantages is when I use it, I find that my skin is so neat. You know, there are sometimes when you bathe and you kind of like, when you scratch your skin, you find that like it's like some dirt are still on your skin, or you kind of feel like you are like inching, your skin is itching. Yes, this helps to clear out all the dirt, exfoliate, takes off all the old, the dead skin cell lying down on your skin, and makes your skin to breathe very well, and makes the surface of my skin feel so like how will I call it? So like saying, feeling slippery, like so glossy. Let me put it that way. Yeah, so that's how I felt after using it. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me go to the disadvantages. I know you'll be waiting to know what I have to say. So the disadvantage is, you know, salt scrub is a very powerful like sodium chloride is very, very powerful. Yes, so like I said, it helps to exfoliate the dirt, every dirty stuff on your skin. But I said my reservation in it is, don't use it every time. Yeah, if you're the type that your skin is so sensitive, use it once in a week. But use it the first time when you find that your skin is not really accepting it, then you can opt for sugar scrub. Yes, for people that have so very sensitive skin, I always tell them to opt for sugar scrub. Yes, so that's one of my reservations. Then another reservation I have is, after using this body scrub, make sure you use a very powerful moisturizer. Yes, you need a powerful moisturizer, because this salt scrub is going to strip out every dense stuff on your skin. So when you over strip out stuff on your skin, you need to use a moisturizer to balance things up. Yes, if you don't use a moisturizer, a long run, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks time, when you keep using it, you find out that your skin is too over dry, and you may find some reactions that you don't like. You may not observe that, yes, this is what is actually giving you what you're experiencing, but over time you may find out that it is. That is if you are very attentive and someone that really pay attention to your skin, how you react to products. Yes, then you. So another observation, or another thing I observe is, do not use the scrub in the morning before you go out under the sun. So you may not like the end results, because it's going to be disastrous, because you just scrub your skin and your skin is literally exposed, open to anything. So, and you just wear it under the sun. So, but you are on the safer side if you're going to be under the sun for like less than 5 minutes. But if you're going to be under the sun for more than 5 minutes, I will not recommend you use the scrub. So use the scrub in the night, at night. Use it at night, yes, before your bedtime. That is when I use the scrub. Yes, and don't use it every day, because too much of everything is very bad. Yes, I use this twice in a week. Like maybe if I've gone out for so long, for like maybe at a stretch I've been going out, been messing up myself outside, then I can use it like 3 times in a week. Otherwise, strictly twice in a week. And sometimes I can go a week without even using it. So you just have to be very careful using the scrub. Don't abuse it, don't overuse it. Use it at night, yes, before bedtime. And if you're gonna use it in the morning, make sure you apply your sunscreen. Yeah, very important. That's if you're not going to be under the sun for more than 5 minutes. Otherwise, just be patient. People used to ask me, why salt instead of sugar? Yeah, why did I go for salt scrub instead of sugar scrub? Yeah, sugar scrub is good. Yes, it's always very good. And also, the reason why I went for the salt scrub is because salt has a very powerful exfoliating content. Like sodium chloride is very good for our body. It helps to get rid of germs. That germs on is, apart from exfoliating all the dirt on your skin, if you have this type that you even if I get a new sponge, I still find myself itching. So ever since I started using salt scrub, it kind of helped me fight that. I'm not a sponge person. Yeah, I'm not. I use it once in a while. So ever since I started using salt scrub, it helps to get dirty from my skin. So that will tell you that it's not only exfoliating your skin, also fight against germs. Now let me let you all know how I use the scrub, how I use it that makes it more effective for me. Yes. So what I basically do is I make sure I wet my body. Don't wet your body too much, because if you wet your body too much, your body is so watering. When you apply it, you'll find out that you will not have this friction on your body. So what you just need to do is wet it a little bit. Then afterwards, you apply the scrub. Scrub it. Like sometimes it takes me like 3 minutes. I'm still scrubbing every part from my neck to my toe. Please, I don't use it on my face. I don't know if it's good. Some people use it on their face, but basically, since it's not written on it, face and body scrub, I decided to avoid it, because I like manufacturers writing it, use on your face and your body. So since it's not written there, I don't want to risk it, because our face is so tender and easily can get breakout. So I'm very cautious of things I apply on my face. So after rubbing it on my skin, so what I do next is I use my body wash to kind of like wash out all the finer, I'll say debris, yeah, let me just call it like that, dirt or junk, whatever on the skin. Wash it from my head to my toe, every part of me. Then I just scrub it, like wash it like once or twice, apply it once or twice, then I am done for that night. Afterwards, I apply my oil. I have a particular oil I apply, and also apply my body cream. So there are different places I apply this oil and body cream. So I'm going to be reviewing that product in my next video. Yeah, I'm going to review that product. That is how I use this body scrub. So now let me go to where you can buy this body scrub, how much this body scrub can cost you. In AliExpress, is available in Jumia, and some reserve online store. So actually I didn't get this in an online store. I went to a spa. I walked into a spa, a drugstore, and I got it. Well, it's not a drugstore, it was a spa. I went to a spa. That's where I got this body scrub. So guys, that is all for my review for Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt and Carrot Body Scrub. Yes, like I said, the salt helps exfoliate your skin and also fight against bacteria, dirt on your skin, not just exfoliating. Like I also said that if you have a very sensitive skin, you can opt for sugar scrub, but I prefer salt scrub because of the bacteria that it helps to fight against, not just exfoliating my skin. And I also said carrot is a very good agent on your skin product, because anytime I'm buying skin product, I make sure there is vitamin C in it. Yes, because it helps your skin to heal very fast from any outbreak you've experienced on your skin. So I said a lot. You can also go online to check where you can buy the scrub, and if you know you've used the scrub and you like it, or you have your own personal observation, your reservation, you can also drop it in the comment section, because everything I said here was based on my experience using the scrub. So you may experience something quite different from mine. So guys, so thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Until next time,